that?
Transmission top on top of it.
Any lines connected?
No.
It's a dipstick. Feel like there's a fucking spark plug boot sticking from his arm out.
Yeah, you got the word of belly open.
I think it should be up high enough.
It is.
Easy.
Stuck. Well, got out of the car safely.
There you go. I'll block heavy. I need an okay.
The motor's out. After he blew it up, blew the head gaskets in it, so he's gonna cam it. And he's not gonna fix the head gasket, he's just gonna cam it.
I fucking hate gasket.
Once I get the right sandpaper materials, it's take me no time. That's what I do for a living. I paint cars, prep them. I'm not, like I said, I'm not too concerned about the dents. That stuff don't bother me. I just want to get it one color. Just whenever you look at it from walking up on it, you don't see all the, well, I sanded it off now, but there was tractor house paint or whatever the hell it was. Different colored paint just scattered everywhere, spray paint or roll-on paint. It's peeling, looked like crap. Don't get me wrong, the van looks like crap itself, but like right there, you can see it. It don't look very good. It's not it's not patina. It's something somebody's done. Like that fender up there, how it's a different color. It's red, kind of like a reddish brown. That's pretty cool looking because you could tell that somebody did that years ago, but that was just like roll-on paint. They tried with that one. See the clear's peeling and everything, so it looks pretty cool. That up there just doesn't look too good. more. Gonna be it for tonight. Let this stuff settle. I'm gonna need a lot more here. That dent's pretty bad. So I'm trying to fill it up. All right, guys, I've been doing some work off camera. Been up on top sanding. I'm not sure if I need to get all the brown off or not. So I don't know if the primer's gonna make this stuff lift. I'm not sure. Probably just get some more 80 grit and just sand the crap out of it. And some 150. The roof kind of caves in right there where the filler is, but there's a big dent there. I'm gonna try to fix the dent a little bit and then let the rest ride. There's a lot of high spots in this roof. a lot. This stuff, a lot of this is the roof rack holes that I put the panel bond in. I put filler over the top. And back there, let me show you real quick that rust holes. I got some filler sitting in it now. Let it dry up. I'm not sure if I'll be able to sand any more this weekend or not. I'm running pretty thin on sandpaper. There's a dent right there. I'm being too picky on this roof, and really I should have just, you know, scuffed it and painted it and been done with it. But here we are. Being a little too picky. My ladder fell down. I finally purchased me a cab visor after a long time of thinking about it. It's gonna look freaking sweet. I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow, start prepping it, getting ready to paint, get it painted. I might mock up the holes now, but what sucks is right here on my antenna that we just installed, it's gonna have to come off. Which really sucks, I like the way the antenna looks. What's in the way of the visor? I don't know what to do. The mounting hardware, or the little holes right there, needs to go down towards it. We'll figure something out. I don't know. It sucks. But the visor's gonna look sweet, and so are all them lights. I'll show you what it looks like from underneath here in a second. That's what it looks underneath. I'm gonna see what it looks like when I'm in the van. Oh, well, I can't really see nothing. I got a big hairball in the way right here. It's freaking cool. Can't wait to get it hooked up and see what it looks like at nighttime. Pretty excited. That's gonna be it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna probably stop trying to record so much standing on the roof and just show you what it looks like when I get it done and ready for paint. I'll probably have recorded seam sealing it, but I don't want to bore you guys with the same old sanding on the roof. So it's stuff's really boring. Done it for hours now on this thing. It's gumming up my paper. I got a water separator for my air compressor, and it's I don't know. It just tells you how much I think it's working. It holds some water, but I'm still shooting some water out of my DA. And you know that as soon as the sandpaper hits that water, it's done for you. Getting a piece of paper, it just gums it up. So it is what it is. It's getting one piece at a time. And you see my eyes bouncing back and forth. I don't know which way to look. I don't know where I need to be looking at. This little green dot, maybe. I'll figure it out. Because I'm looking at myself, so that's kind of. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, do whatever. Peace out.